What does it take to unlock the mysteries of the human brain? A neuroscientist? A computer hacker? Or a professor who is both?
I'm not just feeding information into your ears or your eyes and you put them in your brain alone. I actually control your brains.
Meet Professor Moran Cerf, one of the most innovative thinkers of our generation.
In this series, we're going to talk about your brain and how it works. We're going to teach you how to control it, how to hack into it, where it's heading, what the years ahead will allow us to do with our own mind.
Join Professor Moran Cerf on an extraordinary journey inside the human brain.
We all know it. We can do small things to our brain that make us see the world differently. And the question is, who's in control? Who's the puppeteer? What is there that actually determines that you are you?
What happens in the brain when we dream? How do memories work? Can our brain live after we die?
We're all gonna die. Well, turns out it's not the case.
Cracking the human brain is the key to understanding the human race. Available now on Screenz Live.